Welcome back again to another video, and as you know, Instagram has the ability to just post more than 10 photos in one post, right? So you're probably familiar with this option, but in case you for whatever reason just don't have access to this, then you can make sure to do a couple of different things. At first, as I said, make sure to just get it to App Store and look up Instagram in here and make sure you run the latest version of this app. This is going to make sure that you're using the latest one, as of course this feature has been released in August 2024, which hasn't been that long ago, right? So you know, it's possible that you have been running an Instagram version from before that date, which obviously didn't have this feature. So make sure to update and get the latest functionality. Now that would be the main thing. Also, you need to pay attention and keep in mind that it may not work in every single location at once. Usually with the feature like these, it happens that, you know, when you just post stuff like this, you could see that I got a pop-up that I can post like 20 photos. That's because I just updated my app. But what I'm trying to say is that it may happen that some regions around the world might get access to it quicker than others. So make sure to pay attention to that, and in that sense, you're going to be sure that you know where you're at, you know what's going on, and you just perhaps need to wait until the feature actually becomes available in your region. But these are the main things to pay attention to. Also, you might as well just delete the app and reinstall it in case you still have some problems. But beyond that, I don't think that you're going to have much, like many things to try out. So yeah. I'm gonna wrap up the video right now. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up. If there are other things that you are thinking about in terms of this problem, let me know below and I will catch you in the next one.